Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. It's BMK Shots, and today I'll be showing you guys how I whiten this towel. So it's a picture of my friend. Actually, I didn't shoot this picture, so I just I just decided to show you guys how I whiten the towel, and let's dive right into it. So as you can see, there's a huge difference between the towel on her head and the one on her body. So let's start with the first thing we are going to do is create a new layer. Command J or Control J, and then I did a video before on how to create eye and teeth whitening action. So go watch that video and come back to this video, because going through the steps of how I did these actions will be time demanding. So, and I wouldn't want to waste time here. I'll try and keep this video brief as possible. So as always, choose the layer with the black and your brush. Choose your brush. Opacity should be 0, flows sorry the opacity should be 100, flow 100, smoothing you can leave it at 10 or below 30. Then you start brushing over the towel, and so guys, I'm just trying to be careful with this so I wouldn't paint into her skin. But even if I do that, I'll use the eraser tool, or I'll just, let's say I did this, I can just choose this. I'll click on this arrow to toggle between the white and the black layer, the background and the foreground. So the black is for removing and the white is for adding. So I'll go back to the white, then I paint gradually. So I'm using a graphics tablet. So guys, I'm almost done, and let's see how it goes. I'm almost done, so just do this, and yeah, this is the last part. So I'll show you how to reduce the blue in this picture. It's obvious that there are lots of blue in this picture, so in the towel now. So I'll show you how to reduce the blues. So let's just say, okay, well, this is cool. So this is the before and the after. It's a huge difference. Guys. So the next thing we do is we click on the photo filter and we reduce the blue. Like, okay, we can leave it at 60. Let me see, 60, 70, 50. Okay, I like 49. Okay, 53 is okay. Then we click on this layer and choose this curve symbol and take it up a bit. Already this stuff is already in the action, so it's already there in the action. So when you learn how to create the action, you can do this. But if you can if you don't want to go through the learning of this action, you can send me a message and I'll send them to you. So we can increase the whites just like this. I think that's okay, and let's see if we can add a bit blue. Okay, yeah, this is cool. Yeah, this is cool. So as you can see, this is almost the same with this now, so I think we are good. Let me control 0, and yeah, this is cool now. So guys, this is the before and the after. So stay tuned for more videos on this channel, BMK Shots. See you guys next time. So you can subscribe, you must subscribe, and you must like, and you must comment, and you must share this video to your photography friends, to your friends that are interested in photography, and remain blessed.